Okay, I've been waiting for this package all week. Let's open it up together. Super excited to see what's inside. Here it is, MailVerify, straight from AppSumo's latest deals. The box is simple, but it's what's inside that counts. MailVerify claims to instantly verify emails for marketers. It's designed to help businesses boost deliverability rates. Supposedly, it also reduces those annoying email bounces. As a marketer, I'm always battling low open rates. Let's see if MailVerify can actually help with that. I'm logging into the dashboard for the very first time. Interface looks clean. Everything is easy to find. Uploading my email list is super straightforward. It processes the list almost instantly. That's fast. Results pop up right away. No waiting around. I see which emails are valid and which aren't. Honestly, I'm impressed by the speed so far. Now let's break down what makes this tool special. First, instant verification saves me tons of time. No more guessing if my list is clean or not. Second, higher deliverability means more people see my emails. That's huge for any business running campaigns. Third, reducing bounces protects my sender reputation. I hate when campaigns get flagged as spam. MailVerify targets that exact problem. It's designed for marketers, business owners, and campaign managers. If you send newsletters or promotions, this is for you. I like how the platform gives detailed verification results. You can export clean lists in just a click. Honestly, it feels like a must-have for email marketing. The AppSumo deal makes it even more attractive. You get premium features at a fraction of the price. I'm saving money and improving my campaigns. If you're tired of high bounce rates, check this out. Just remember, no tool is magic. Keep your lists updated. But MailVerify definitely makes the process easier. I'm genuinely happy with how seamless it is. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially at this price. If you manage email campaigns, you need this tool. Don't miss the AppSumo deal. It's limited time only. Click the link below to grab your MailVerify deal. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. Thanks for unboxing and reviewing with me. See you next time.